Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna Singh. Welcome back to Incytonomics. So let's start the topic for today without a further ado. In this video, we are going to look at the relationship between marginal product and average product of labor and capital for the Cobb-Douglas production function of degree 1. That means a function exhibiting constant returns to scale. Okay, so we are going to look at the factors on which marginal product and the average product of labor and capital depends. Okay, for the Cobb-Douglas production function. So you have been a Cobb-Douglas production function of degree 1. That means Q is equals to L alpha K 1 minus alpha. That is, in a way you can say that alpha plus beta is equals to 1. Having CRS, constant returns to scale. Okay. We have to derive an expression for marginal product as well as the average product of labor and capital. And then we'll have to find what are the factors on which this marginal and average product of labor and capital depends. So first we'll solve for APL and MPL. That is average product of labor and marginal product of labor. So as we know, APL is equal to Q by L, right? Q हमारा क्या है? Alpha K 1 minus alpha divided by L. Okay. So you can write it like this. Sorry. Alpha को आप नीचे लेके जाओगे. So you will get K 1 minus alpha L minus alpha. You can write it like this. K 1 minus alpha L 1 minus alpha. So you can write APL is equals to K by L 1 minus alpha. So you got the expression for APL, average product of labor. Okay. So in case of Cobb-Douglas production function of degree 1, average product of labor will depend on the capital labor ratio. APL or average productivity of the labor depends on the capital labor ratio. Capital labor ratio. It does not depends on the absolute value of L labor and capital. Okay, while alpha is a constant. Okay, and for example, if you say let K is equals to 10 and L is equals to 2. Okay, and when you put it in a function, and let's say alpha is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, then solve this. APL is equals to 10 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, when you solve it, you'll get 5 by 1 by 2. Okay, so when you solve it, it's like 5 1 by 2, but the ratio of labor and capital, the ratio of capital to labor is 5:1, and you got your APL is equals to 5 1 by 2. Okay, now if you change the magnitudes, absolute value of these labor and capital, let's say now your capital is 100 and your labor is 20. Okay, now we will solve for APL. and alpha again is equals to 1 by 2 because which is a constant, वो तो सेम रहेगा. You can change labor and capital, but alpha तो constant है तो fix रहेगा. Now 1 minus 1 by 2. You will get again 5 by 1, 1 by 2. So again your APL is equals to 5, 1 by 2, right? So in both the case, आपको ये पता चला that average productivity of labor, or we'll also solve for capital. So we can say average product of labor and capital will depend on the capital labor ratio. Sorry, does not depend upon the absolute value of labor and capital. Okay, मैंने हम लोगों ने सॉल्व करके देखा भी कि हम लोगों ने एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 10 और 2 थी, इंक्रीज करके 100 और 20 कर दी, बट उनका रेशियो सेम था. रेशियो क्या था? 5:1, वो सेम रखा. सो यू विल गेट द सेम वैल्यू even your absolute value changed. So ultimate conclusion is that APL does not depend upon the absolute values of labor and capital, which depends on the capital labor ratio. Okay, now we will solve for MPL. MPL क्या है? पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ Q विद रिस्पेक्ट टू L. एंड हमारा Q क्या है? L अल्फा K बीटा. n के रिस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व करेंगे. डिफरेंशिएशन का रूल क्या होता है? एक्स रेज टू द पावर n, n आगे आता है x n माइनस 1. ओके, अल्फा आगे आएगा l अल्फा माइनस 1, k एज इट इज रहेगा. ओके, यू कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस, l अल्फा डिवाइडेड बाय l k बीटा. So instead of this you can write alpha q by l, right? And q by l is equals to APL, average productivity of labor. So your MPL is equals to alpha into APL. And आपको पता था APL किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा था? APL किसके इक्वल आया था? And you can write it like this as well. APL किसके इक्वल था? K by L, 1 minus alpha. So you can also say that MPL also depends on the capital labor ratio, does not depend upon the absolute values of labor and capital. So in short, you can say, in short, APL and MPL depends on the per capita capital stock, not on the absolute values of L and K. Okay. Similarly, we will derive for APK and MPK. APK and MPK. So APK, average product of capital, is equals to Q by K. And हमारा Q क्या है? Q is equal to L alpha K beta. So alpha K beta and K, right? Sorry, it's 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha. So here is also, you have 1 minus alpha. Okay, sorry for my mistake. It's 1 minus alpha. Okay, you have 1 minus alpha. So when you solve it, you will get alpha K by L L K 1 minus alpha. Okay, so you will get Q by L. So similarly, when you solve it, you will get L alpha K alpha minus alpha K divided by K. Okay, so K से ये cancel हो गया and you will get APK is equals to L alpha divided by K alpha, or you can say L by K alpha. So in this case as well, your average product of capital will depend upon the labor to capital ratio. APK depends on the labor capital ratio. That is 1 unit of capital using how many units of labor? Again, not depend upon the, not depend upon the absolute value of LNK. Now similarly for MPK, its partial derivative of Q with respect to K. Q is equals to L alpha K 1 minus alpha. आप इसे सॉल्व करोगे K के रिस्पेक्ट में, then you will get 1 minus alpha L alpha K 1 minus alpha minus 1. Okay, then you will get 1 minus alpha L alpha 1 minus alpha, ये alpha से alpha cancel, you will get K minus alpha. When you solve it, you will get 1 minus alpha L by K alpha. And अभी हम लोगों ने देखा था L by K alpha किसके इक्वल है? APK. So your MPK is equals to 1 minus alpha APK. So again you can say that your MPK will also depend upon the labor to capital ratio. It also does not depend upon the absolute quantities of labor and capital. This is it. We are done with this video. I hope आपको Thank you so much for watching our content. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you had any queries and observations, please do let us know on our comment section. And you can also join us on our Telegram channel, where we'll upload all the links of the YouTube videos and also provide the PDFs and important book notes with respect to economics. Thank you.